Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this math tutorial, we are solving this quadratic inequality. Now, to begin, we just need to divide throughout this inequality by a negative sign. And when we divide by a negative sign, the sign of the inequality changes. It faces this way. So we divide by negative, we get 3x squared minus x minus 2. And then when we factorize this left hand side, we are going to have 3x plus 2, and then x minus 1 is greater or equal to 0. Now we are going to derive the critical values. I'll just call them CVs, the critical values from this. And these are x is equal to minus 2 over 3 and x is equal to 1. So we are going to use the graphical method of solving quadratic inequalities. So we can draw a number line, right? And then this equation is in the form of a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That's the form of that equation. It's a quadratic inequality. Now, we look at the sign of a. A is greater than 0. So the graph that we are going to sketch is concave up. All right. So we just need to put the critical values on this number line. X is equal to minus 2 over 3 and 1. So the graph is concave up. So it assumes this shape. Now we are going to look for the values of x for which this is greater or equal to 0. So we are looking at values above the x-axis. All right, that's where this is greater or equal to 0. So we're looking for values of x on that. Right, so we find that these are the regions where this is greater or equal to 0. Okay, then we are going to say now, therefore, x is less or equal to minus 2 over 3, and x is greater or equal to 1. Then we have managed to solve that quadratic inequality. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.